Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet 49 class 10th science English medium for the date 29th October. So in this worksheet we are going to start a new lesson that is known as hereditary and evolution. So what is hereditary? It is the transmission of traits and characteristics from one generation to other or from parents to their offspring. And variation is the difference between the characteristics or traits among the individual of the same species are called variation. So what are the different things which are responsible for them? Genes, which are known as the basic and functional unit of heredity. Genes make up DNA structure. Humans have 2 copies of each gene known as alleles. These you have to remember. Now one from each parent, these allele genes are responsible for the variation and uniqueness of each individual, and the difference of variation of a particular gene is known as alleles. Like if you are having 2 capital T for the tallness, then these are the different genes which are responsible for each character, and these 2 are known as the alleles of a gene. Accumulation of variation during reproduction. So when we say accumulation of variation, that means a particular character keeps on accumulating in a particular individual before it is transmitted to the another generation. You can see here this individual is completely blue in color. Because of variation, one of our offspring got a red head and one got the green legs. In next generation, this red characteristic is transferred to the further generations, and this green along with it some variation is seen in the hand. So this is how that variation keeps on going from one generation to the another after the reproduction. But do all these variation in a species have equal chances of surviving in the environment in which they find themselves? It's not, because depending on the nature of the variation, different individual would have different kind of advantage. Like if bacteria which can withstand the heat will survive better in heat wave, and some variation do not help the organism to adjust to changes in environment and they may die. So it's completely depend on the surrounding environment. If you got the variation as per the need of your environment, it will be beneficial for you, and if you don't got the variation as per the need of the environment, it will be harmful for you. See the question answers. Firstly, you have to define the hereditary variation, DNA, chromosomes, trait and gene. So hereditary, transmission of trait and characteristics from one generation to another. Variation, difference between the characteristics or trait among the individuals. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, is the hereditary material in human and almost all other organisms. Next is chromosome. The chromosome are thread-like structure located inside the nucleus of animal and plant. Each chromosome is made up of protein and single molecule of DNA. Trait is a specific characteristic of an organism. Trait can be determined by genes or the environment, or more commonly by interaction between them. And last one is gene, is the basic physical and functionality of hereditary, and these are made up of DNA. So question number 2, that is, this is the answer number 2 for your question 2, in that 2 types of individual are there. One is existing in 10% of population, another in 60%. So obviously the trait B is likely to have arisen earlier because the trait has been replicating and existing in higher percentage of population as compared to trait A. Hope you like the explanation of worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.